Something pretty amazing is happening to our generation of parents. Okay. We are listening to parenting podcasts. We're watching parenting social media videos. Some people are joining courses or books or going to parenting coaches, right? Why? I think it's because we all relate. I know I related to your story immensely, but we all relate to that. We look back to our lives and we say, look, that was kind of painful. And I don't really like that. And I can change that. I can change that for my kids. And so I don't know your dad. I don't know his name, but maybe he had this moment. I'm like, look, I'm repeating these patterns. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that for my son. I want to be better for my son. So people don't talk about this, but then they also don't talk about the next step, which is you can't become an expert swimmer by studying crappy swimmers. Right? You can't become great at something without a good example, without mentorship, without someone showing you the way. So that makes it harder for us, especially for us men, because we want to take the best from our dads, all the good stuff. There's so much good stuff from the older generation of men. But then we don't know what to do. And then we got our wives telling us, oh, you got to be more gentle. You got to be more, don't do it. Don't say that. And we're like, well, I don't know how to do this. And I just think that people who are listening to this right now, I think they have a lot in common with what you just said. They're like, I really have a growth mindset towards parenting. I want to do the inner work I need to do to break these generational patterns and show up for my kids and teach them amazing things. And if that's like you and you're listening to this as a parent right now, well, then let's go. Let me give you a pat on the back. You're like changing the world through your parenting. That's like so amazing. You're changing the world through your parenting. I think